had a question recently in the channel about how to get stains off the Cybertruck, like rain, leftover rain debris. I just wanted to show in this example because this one is not coming off for me right now. They said they use Sprayway and some other products, it doesn't come out. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to use Sprayway, or Sprayway. I always call it Sprayway, I don't know why. It's still stained in there. If you zoom in, you can still see like staining, right? And you can like sit there and scrub it and it's like still there, right? Water and vinegar, diluted. You don't need a lot. Put just a few sprays of that and it comes off like so easily. So any little spots you have with little dots, water beads, vinegar and water is your best friend. It cleans up so nicely. And I felt I had to share this because I don't think a lot of people really talk about it. You don't need fancy products. Vinegar, I mean, you can buy it for $3 for a big old, big old gallon of it. And it goes, a little bit goes a long ways. Like any little stain you can see in the light, you can just take it right out. So I hope this helps because I was a little nervous when I first started seeing this happen and I'm like, I can't get my stains out. Yeah, that works very well. So hope it works for you and until next time, see ya.